Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting Node installed and creating a minimal project so you can run code immediately. Once Node is installed, run npm init to produce package. JSON, make a quick index. JS file, decide whether you will use common JS require or ESM import, set type, module in package. JSON if you pick ESM. Next, write a simple console, log or an exported function so you can run Node index. JS and confirm your runtime is working before adding complexity. Now you build functionality and wire up tools that speed development. Create modules and use export/import or module. Export/ require consistently so imports resolve. Install needed packages with npm install and separate dev dependencies like nodemin or ESLint. Use dotenv or process. Env for configuration, make a env file and load it early. For iterative work, run nodemin or node inspect to catch errors quickly. Make small commits and test functions in isolation so you can You wrap up by running, testing, and preparing to deploy. Execute node index. JS or npm run start and run your test suite with npm test, lint and fix warnings. For production, build if needed and use a process manager such as PM2 or a container to keep the app alive. Once done, make sure logs are captured and environment variables match production values. Troubleshooting tip: if a module fails to load, verify Node v meets the required version and run npm install to restore missing dependencies before digging deeper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.